Do you know many people are having trouble with a flashing red light and error code 13 on their Rinnai Dynamo 15 heater? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Clean air filters. Check if the air filters are clean. Dust on air filters can cause issues, so make sure to clean the air filters weekly as part of regular maintenance. Step 2. Check for blockages. Ensure there is no blockage in the air filter. If the air filter is blocked, clean it to allow proper airflow. Step 3. Seek professional service. If the error code 13 persists after cleaning the filters, it indicates a combustion control fault, which needs professional service. Step 4. Monitor performance. If the heater is functioning properly otherwise, continue to monitor its performance and address any error codes promptly to ensure safe and efficient operation. Following these steps should help you troubleshoot the flashing red light and error code 13 on your Rinnai Dynamo 15 heater. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Rinnai users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.